Obviously, gas bottle, your gas connector onto there. 11 kilograms, pitch perfect on here, so that's what I mean, I don't know how many you're allowed to store on site.
It's one in at a time, yeah, we've got request.
Right. What have you read out? After switch off.
You'll see,
Yeah, but only be
I think, hang on, I think, yeah, you pay for the gas, don't you, from there, those are just rented.
Yeah, they return it,
Yeah.
they just, yeah.
Once it's specified, order the first one out, and just,
yeah.
They like to do that, loads of that stuff.
So obviously gas, get your gas set in there, just make sure that's tightened up. I always do open it so make sure it's not leaking or anything, obviously. Your lid, you've got a catch for your lid as well, that load it in place, it's not going to fly open, it's not spring loaded. That's just turn it over in there, just lift it up. This is a sieve. It's basically if you're going from truck mounted boilers, and if it's not melted properly, get bits of plastic or there's anything inside, and it'll stop anything jamming up in here. So because you're going to be melting your material in this, you don't need to use this. It's just for when the tanking off from a big truck, that's all. Basically, once you've got all your heat on, put your thermoplastic on there, or you can cut your bag and empty it in, and then just start heating up and melting down. The paddle here, it's just a bit of an agitator, so everything on this is it's all manual, there's nothing automated about it, so that'll just swing round. You can, by undoing that and putting it onto there, it'll lock into place, which I'll show you as I'm going round. So obviously you can't reach forward, so this is part of agitation as well. So we'll link onto that as well, show you everything. It's about 135 kilograms. They'll melt down in an hour, so a bag's not going to take long to melt down, guys. Just lift it up, saves your manhandling for your huge ramps. Pneumatic tyres as well, so obviously puncture. Same at front as well. Foot brake. Pick it up like that, and then just pull it back on. That's on a three-wheel bearing, so it just lifts over and locks it in place. This is for your wheel, it locks it in place. That'll just go straight. As soon as you pull that in, right, you can turn it, but as soon as you let it go, it should locks back into place automatically. And then vice versa when you turn it round. There, locks back into place. Glass bead dispenser. Don't know if you need to have reflective lines, but this is basically put your thermoplastic down, these will lay on top, and as you're driving around headlights at night they'll shine, so whether you use them, so all that is just fill that hopper up, right, and it just dispenses them out automatically then. Handles for pushing along, Greycoat designed, got different kinds of equipment, but they're all on the same sachet, so it's all interlinked, paint machines, thermoplastic. Bit of an idiot's guide on there if you want to have a read of that. This is your temperature control, this is your Y, it'll cut itself off.
what's the recommended setting?
Well, we're in,
Does it depend on?
yeah, we've got degrees, so you're looking anywhere between, halfway between 177 to 205. It's normally 180, 190 degrees Celsius. This is applied at, so it is quite extremely hot.
Okay.
I'll cut this off.
Yeah.
Like I say, this is not. Come with these. Basically, this lever here, if you just want to come around here, this is called this your gate. So all your thermoplastic's melted in there, and as you're going along, what you've got to do is you keep topping your shoe every so often, so it's not going to be constant flow in. So as you're pushing it along, you'll open that thermoplastic at right temperature, it'll shoot down there, into that trough, and obviously when I fit your shoe you'll see there and it flows into there, and you've got to keep, as you're pushing along, you'll be watching that, you'll just need to keep opening that up and allowing material to flow into it. If you forget about that, you're going to be going along and it'll start dragging and end up where you've got no thermoplastic, then you've got to come back, redo it. Guideline for it as well, obviously that's adjustable, because you can get different sizes shoes, anything from 100mm all the way to 300mm. All you do is move that along, get this set up, put your machine where you need to be with your line, and then you line it up, and all you're doing is just watching the yellow tip, and you just follow it line straight away. It's just a guide, because if not you'll end up with like that swimming all over. I can put shoe on in a minute as well. This is your actual dropping down of your shoe. So you fix it on, so you've got your, open your shoe up once there. So you pull back down on that and let it push forward. I've got a knife again.
That just does the glass, is it? That lever?
This one,
Yeah.
it automatically does everything.
Yeah, that does the pouring, doesn't it? And the
Yeah,
back,
this one here, this allows you thermoplastic. This one does both. It opens, because there's a little gate on your shoe, so it lifts it up, allows material to come out to allow it to screen, and it automatically drops speed as well, because this lifts this gate up as well. So I'll get that figured in. Obviously, the glass beads, once it comes down onto there, when they first brought these out, they had a design for they want enough burners off. And under there, you've got a bank of 3. You've got a 2, and then 1 pointing up. So you've got 8 coming up onto your shoe, so it allows your thermoplastic to run down as well. Because thermoplastic, once you take it away from heat, it'll rapidly cool. So you've got heat on the, all this on there, heat on front of your shoe, which keeps your shoe hot, and then heat this way as well. So this is your main area that's open flame. You've got obviously flames under there, but this does get warm as well. Somebody want to keep hold of that, because that'll be a spare if you lose it.
That will only do one line then, is it?
Yeah, one line. So if
So we got double yellow lines, we got to buy a different shoe.
yeah, you can get a twin shoe,
Right.
so it'll do 4 and 4.
Right.
But like I said, that document that Mark had sent you through about it, it should be last page. It gives you all spare parts and other accessories and shoes, all different, because everything's coded. So if you said to Mark, we need that shoe with that code, it can get onto grey code and they can supply that.
So, well, we need one for the WL as well.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll get onto that now, we'll get back.
With this as well, there should have been obviously in instructions how to use it, and there should have been
We've been looking
possibly
at that. Yeah.
is the a maintenance one as well. They normally send 2 pamphlets out with it. Yeah. Well, in there it'll the schematic diagram of every single part, and each one's coded. So if there was something broke, you can get onto to Mark, and then it would say it's that part, it's that code. We can get one sent across.
Okay.
So everything's changeable. We can get rid of it half here. So the building will keep stock of parts. So basically, for your shoe, you've got your lever that helps this part here. This is what lifts your gate open. On your guide as well, that pamphlet that's sent through, or that's attached to this, it shows you how to adjust whether you want to put thick lines down or thinner lines. So at this it should be sort of set in between. So we'll see how we're getting on thickness wise. If it needs adjusting, you can adjust it. It locks the shoe in place, so it's holding it tight, and you're allowing yourself to push down it. If it wasn't locked in place, you're trying to push down, it could lift your shoe up. So it's imperative that you know that this is locked in place. So just basically slide your shoe underneath. And what you're looking for is you've got nipple there that sits in there, and then your bracket there sits at the back of this handle. So basically it's locking behind, locking front. So once that's in place, that holds it tight then. So just push down, front onto that one, and then right there. Drop that down. So you can see that's pretty solid. Undo your clip. Down. That's basically in place. So it lifts your shoe off floor, so you're not dragging your shoe, because obviously if you keep it on floor it starts wearing out. And that's actually shoving your gate, so what it does is it lifts your gate open and allows thermoplastic to come out. Obviously once you get going you'll see that.
Yeah.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Basically, you've got your pilot light and your ignition as well, and then your actual on, so I'll show you how to operate that as well. So that controls your burners. You've got your gas flow to this torch, which will allow you to light all your burners round here. So once they're lit, they're an open flame. Shut that off, put that back in. Good to go?
Yeah.
Happy? Any questions on anything so far?
Do you want to go through all the installation again once he's done the demo? Or?
Yeah,
Yeah?
we'll have a chat if it is.
I mean, if you want to have a go putting show on before...
Yeah, you know, things like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, leave it a minute or so.
We'll order something more then. Yeah. Store them on here.
You've got to put them in there. You want.
I'll order one of
Unless you have your own separate cage and keep a control of it better.
Well, no one else is going to use that size.
No.
So no one knows enough.
So we're on now.
The only problem is when they deliver it and stuff, you've got to go from non-problem. That's the only
That's been, this one's for
Yeah.
this one you, is it?
Yeah, and then you've got one for other three banks just on the other
That's
side.
posted, that's, is there,
Yeah.
Still, that and the tops.
I was just going to say with the tops.
So this bag's melt mill is part of the system,
All right.
to get it without messing about. This obviously you've got to get the bag melted as well. Just empty it back and do it back.
Yeah. Just want to keep as clean as possible.
Yeah.
For us and,
Each bag's got its own individual little sachet as well.
okay.
That's lead free. It's an organic. Last year legislation coming that all yellow road markings has to be inorganic lead free. Because with this all possible across Belmont and lead road. So this is organic, so you've got no.
Okay.
What's that, the colour in it? Is
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
That's down there.
we'll drive off the lorry.
Certain levels, and if you put more in, it doesn't do any different. It gets to the same point, and that's it. But all this residual.
Have they got them in this comes in my flat clubs now?
I'll have to check.
You have them for the welder, do they?
So we'll have to do a risk assessment Simon before you use this as well. So I can reject that today. I'm starting to work there with us.
Yeah.
So it's getting warmer now, it's getting a bit easier to slow it down.
Oh, you see it going.
Yeah. like, yeah, I heard them, like the welders ones. Right? Yeah. And those shields as well.
If you want cut bag, spread it about, but obviously you want to wear rubber gloves because it's not hazardous picking up anything messing about with pigment over your hands.
This side, right?
That's the end of it.
You're talking there.
That's just for like the burners.
Yeah. So you've got your valve there for these. on, shove it all the way forward. Go on.
Will that lock in? Isn't it?
Not locking, but it just holds it there, that's all. Distance. Exactly now. You can hold on to the machine as well. So there, itself is down
Keeping an eye on that pot now, Clive, to give me small liquid, you know.
So with that free hand you've got now on your right, you can open your gate bit.